We are in our piano adventure, lesson book A, and we are playing Wish I Were a Fish. So let's take a look here real quick at our little keyboard. So it's showing that our left-hand thumb is on middle C, and our right-hand thumb is on F. And we're playing F, G, A, B. So I want you to color these in. Your C is red, F is green, G is teal, A is purple, and B is pink. So we'll go through and now color all the stems of your notes so that you know where your notes are played on your keyboard. Okay, let's hear how this song goes. And you do have a repeat right here. So you're going to repeat back to the beginning and play all the way through to the end. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, that's a very nice little tune about wishing you were a fish. I love that. Okay, so let's go through and let's do our solfege, but let's just say our solfege this time instead of using our hand signs, and I'll play it as we sing it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, starting on fa. Fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa. Do, do, fa, sol. Fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa. Do, do, fa, sol. La, la, sol, do. Fa, sol, la, la. Fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa. Do, do, fa, fa, fa. So when we get to the two notes that are together, the A and the F, the purple and green, just sing the top note. Next, let's do our note names. 1, 2, ready, go. F, G, A, B, A, G, F, C, C, F, G, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, C, C, F, G, A, G, C, F, G, A and F together, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, C, C, F, F, F. Okay, now let's do our colors. 1, 2, ready, go. Green, teal, purple, pink, purple, teal, green, red, red, green, teal, green, teal, purple, pink, purple, teal, green, red, red, green, teal, purple, purple, teal, red, green, teal, purple, purple, and green, green, teal, purple, pink, purple, teal, green, red, red, green, green, green. Now let's do our finger numbers. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 2. 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now let's do our rhythm. We have beets, we have melons, and we have watermelons. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Beet, 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 melon. Beet, beet, melon, watermelon. Beet, 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 melon, beet, melon, watermelon, melon, 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 beet, melon, watermelon, beet, melon, beet, watermelon. Okay, now it is time for the duet, and you're going to move up here, and I'm going to stay right here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Very pretty when you put both pieces together.